Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at WayV's album Awaken the World. We have a red and black version. We are going to start here with the red. Ooh, this is plastic. Ooh, they got the CD here in the back. Very pretty. And then it looks like we start off with a folded poster. Folded member poster. Oh, I got 10. It says wanted here at the top. Okay. So they're becoming more popular, member posters. I've been noticing. Lucas is so good looking. We have the circle card, and I got Lucas for my photo card. Kind of open one of these versions. They have Lucas with his wings removed. 10's looking a little like the Joker here. He's just missing the cut mouth. So for our black version, ooh, circle card already fell out. Ooh, and my photo card. Okay. Let's get our CD real fast. Oh. Pretty. Who do we get for our wanted poster? Oh, Lucas! Yay! Alright, now for our photo book. Ooh. I love silhouette images. Ooh! I told you I wanted some of these. Oh, because Jesus. So. Woo! That just looks so good. Ooh, yeah, 10 had like 8, like it felt like he had a billion different hairstyles and colors and looks in this video. Ooh. Oh, this one's my favorite. This one's my favorite. No more. He doesn't have like the scars on his back. Whoa, look at that. I almost didn't even notice it. It was in the music video, I totally didn't even notice it. Oh, love this photo book. Oh, so nice. Ooh. Alright, clearly the black version was my favorite. I'll just keep these on the side because they're not gonna get photo cards, circle cards. Alright, there we go. Let me know which version you liked best between the red and the black in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next one, bye guys.